It's a new thing at Beast Offroad. Come and do your own install. Wow, that's a healthy chunk of aluminum, eh?
Oh, compared to OEM, yeah, I think so.
Perfect, watch your head.
Jesus Christ. Get your safety glasses on.
Gotta stop hosting trail rides before we do skid plates.
That's right.
Thank God your truck's brand new.
Everything comes right out, eh?
Right out. One more. Oh, where is it? Because now that will hook up to the big heavy ones.
There you go.
A little bit more forward.
It's a new thing at Beast Offroad. Come and do your own install.
Watch out, lower down.
Come here. Pick up a Toyota specialist.
Oh, Mike.
Drop it down.
Oh, I don't mind helping.
Lower.
Yeah.
And you know what? Take these off. 1 second, buddy. We're not a joke.
Anti-sees all the bolts, guys.
Sees every bolt.
All right.
When they gotta come out, they come out. They don't break in there. Okay, we're not monkeys. We do things 100%.
Actually, let's leave it loose till we get them all on.
Okay. Yeah, I was going to ask, do you bother torquing them? Are there any torque specs, or just hammer them in there for that type of stuff?
No, there's torque specs for every single bolt.
Oh.
I think it's like 65 foot-pounds. But I'll check the manual before we do it. But the other skid plate fits, like slides into this skid plate.
Oh.
And then slides into the next skid plate. So
I gotcha.
that's why we do everything at the end. What I like too is they include all the hardware. Everything's sealed like perfect.
There's just something about nice aluminum welds. Wow. Monster, eh? Hello. Good, thanks. How are you?
This was under the spacer or on top of it?
On top.
Okay, so this one's under. What's it? It can't. It's gotta go. The spacer goes on top. It's gotta go under the spacer. Yeah.
Let me loosen the.
This one?
I got There we go.
Thanks for tuning in. You know, I can install these skid plates on the driveway, but I have severe psoriatic arthritis, and it's so much easier just put it up on the hoist and have it installed and help out a little bit while I shoot the video. If you want to help me become a bigger voice for arthritis, click the subscribe button. Let's get back to the build.
Kailan na tambol, please, right? Kailan na tambol? Hindi naman pala. Hindi naman dyan. The milk cart is behind the back. Want to change is your bump stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, eventually. So it'll be like a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So when you're going, it's like riding on a cloud.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that'll ease the.
Just like the smack here, it won't
Yeah.
be like, it'll be like a cushion. And in the back. So on the back they sit up here.
Yeah, they got little tiny ones in there.
So the-
Oh, I see.
The other
Okay.
ones will be like up to here. So
Gotcha.
when the back comes down,
Right.
it just hits on like a piece of plastic versus like this is like hard rubber.
Right. So yeah, that's a firm stop.
Yeah, the other one's like a cloud. It compresses like fully. You'd be
Well-
shocked when you put new suspension on this, how nice it rides.
Okay.
So,
Well, we'll get that done for sure.
100%. And I like the aluminum too. Especially
Aluminum looks good. It's
Oh.
it's something different, right?
It's just
everything's
shut up, eh?
everything's black these
And it
days.
doesn't rust.
Yeah.
You know, installing these skid plates are just the beginning. Clicking that subscribe button will also make sure you don't miss the future videos that we're going to shoot here at Beast Offroad. Oh, and make sure you watch the end of the video to see the blooper reels.
Oh my god. I gotta show you this. So look at your shocks.
Yeah.
This is what we're gonna put on there for you, buddy.
Oh my God, really? Is that what we're putting on?
Yeah.
That's like a 5160 or something.
This is way bigger than that. But if you look at like this is a rear shock, front shock, like how much bigger that is.
That's monster.
Yeah. And then the ride quality is like phenomenal.
What kind of shock is that?
That's locked off road.
Oh, okay. But that's basically
What you're gonna do.
the built piece.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, when you look at like stock, you're like, oh, it rides pretty good. Then you put these on and you're like, oh, I'm on a fucking cloud.
Really, eh? It makes that much difference.
Oh yeah.
We have to open up the mic.
It's already open. Wow.
I see plastic around and stuff.
They really wrap the shit out of their stuff.
Yeah, it's like, Jesus, you don't want to scratch it, right?
No. But for a product that's like,
It's going to get scratched to hell.
yeah.
That's Mike's fault.
You know,
He told me to go out first before I brought it in for you.
everybody do that to me. And I don't watch my clothes myself. I take it to the lab and they're thinking that the dry cleaner. As soon as I put it on Monday morning, I come here, go there. Now you have to start with my land, buddy.
Yeah, they sure do take care of them, eh?
Yeah.
Something that, would be pretty safe shipping, right? Like you can hammer that around, but good for them. If they're going to build a premium product, it should turn up as a premium product.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm still waiting for them to make a rear differential skid for me.
A rear differential skid.
Yeah. So that's what you want to buy next. Like it goes right around this and braces all this because this is what your lowest point on the truck is.
Right.
So
Oh, more stickers. Thank you.
That
Or something.
no, because this portion of the truck will be the same.
Yeah, I would think so, but doesn't seem hard to rig it up to drill the 3 holes on each side, but yeah, look at that. That's way easier. One little piece. Still only got to make it for the day anyways. Just got to get the home.
Peter likes being on YouTube, so take a look at the video of Peter.
Yeah.
It's do things 100%.
There we go.
So just because the camera's on.
So
I don't want to be on YouTube here, my friend. You put them on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube. I'm hiding from everybody.
Hey, what's up, ladies?
Yeah, just hanging out with the boys.
Hey.
Okay, I'm wanted, so I don't want to be on YouTube.
He has an extensive criminal record.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to be on YouTube. I don't want all the woman to
It's too late. It's a live broadcast.
You put it like in a sue your ass, man. I'm gonna tell you the truth. All the women, they're gonna find me. I don't want to find me. You know what I'm saying?
Buddy, you're a young guy. You can't find a hole.
No.
You're sideways.
Oh, guide me, Dad.
We'll be a little firmer.
Tell me where it is, Dad.
He made lots of babies. He's trying to hide. You know, they got it in their jeans. Eh? They just, pop it in, just fucking throw a seat.
I don't want to hide from them.
There we go.
You know exactly what I want you for.
Oops. You okay? Oh,
my
shit.
God. You know how much time I get that box out? That's why I have an order.
That's using your head, Peter. Gorgeous.
Before I worked here, I was doing welding for this company.
Oh, were you?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Real estate.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say.
I was hired for office staff, but you know, now I'm out here working.
Yeah.
You want one of me?
Nothing. All you need to say, hi, it's me on YouTube, honey.
Hi, it's me on YouTube, honey.